The .pkg file type is basically a locked box. It's either a Mac installer or a PlayStation game file. You can't just click it to run it on Windows. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. I'll explain what tools you need to unpack it. A quick note. Our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. The PKG is officially classified under the Comprehensive Executable File Architecture. The Apple macOS Installer Package file type is central to its architecture. The PKG file is a standardized installer package format used by the macOS operating system. It functions as a single container archive for application components, scripts, and installation instructions. It is not an application itself, but the wrapper used to deliver one. Developed by Apple, the format is a specialized archive, similar to a Windows installer or MSI. The design rules focus on integrity and privileged access. While they can be opened on macOS, running them on Windows requires a specialized extractor that can correctly interpret the Apple-specific installation metadata and script structure. The most common, market-leading program for PKG is macOS from Apple. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows shows minimal information, so safe handling relies on trusted environments. The quickest way to solve this is testing. Right-click your PKG file, then choose Open With. You should start with macOS if it's installed. If not, try another option, as some programs are better suited than others. If your PKG file is not opening yet, that is normal. It's typically one of three basic reasons. Here is a simple breakdown of the common culprits and how to check them. First, use macOS Installer. If on a Mac, simply double-click the PKG file to launch the macOS Installer utility and follow the installation steps. Next, use Archive Extractor. If on Windows, install a third-party file opener like Bitberry File Opener, or an archive utility to browse and extract the contents. Finally, use Terminal Pacifist. If on Mac and the installer fails, use the terminal command pkgutil. Expand, or a utility like Pacifist to selectively unpack the contents. If the PKG file resisted every available app, we now need a universal software bypass. It's time to try the one-click fix, the advanced option for stubborn PKG files. When you frequently encounter difficult files, FileMagick is a must-have. Its strong point is the instant preview of content, bypassing common corruption and extension errors in any PKG file. Download now at filemagick.com. FileMagick can handle the obscure formats, remember. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.